I'll say bye and then let's all walk. Walk.
Bye, Minamma.
Bye, Minamma.
Bye,
Have a
Minamma.
nice life.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
పిలిచింది డాడ్ అనింది పిలిచింది నాన్న.
Hey, Amma.
హే లివియా.
You want me to teach you how a shotgun works?
ఎస్.
Okay, disclaimer. I do not really know about shotguns. I'm just telling what I think and what I know.
Huh.
What kind of shotgun you want me to teach you about?
What do you know? What do you know about
Okay,
guns?
okay. Which
Is this
shotgun?
Nerf gun?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, but like, okay. Which type of shotgun do you want me to show you? Pump action or
Yes.
foldable? Foldable. Which one?
I don't know anything about the guns. You can teach me if
pump
you know.
Action? You want to know pump action?
Okay.
Okay, so there's three shotgun cells here. There will be actually a hole, a cartridge. Okay, so like you put in the shotgun cartridges, you pump it and then fire. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Okay. Now you want me to tell you about foldable?
Okay.
Foldable? Okay. Okay. So you open it up, put it in. The foldable has the bullets go inside the barrel. Put it in, unfold it, and then fire.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
అమెరికాలో ఎవరైనా నైబర్స్ కారు బ్యాటరీ డెడ్ అయిపోతే ఒకరు చెప్పి ఇంకొకరు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. ఫ్లైట్ టేక్ ఆఫ్ అవుతుంది ఎయిర్పోర్ట్లో. జూలై 4th స్పెషల్కి ఫైర్ వర్క్స్ నడుస్తుంది. ఆకాశంలో చూస్తుండొచ్చు చాలా ఫ్లైట్లు కూడా పోతున్నాయి దాంతోపాటు. అమెరికాలో ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తే ఫైర్ ఏమైనా అంటుకుంటే ఇమ్మటే ఫైర్ ట్రక్, అంబులెన్స్, మళ్ళీ పోలీస్ వ్యాన్ 3 వస్తాయి. సో నేను ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తాను. విత్ ఇన్ 3 minutes or 4 minutes they'll come. Who will come?
Firefighters. And here's the thing. I think they had a little accident with the fireworks. I mean, like everyone's shooting fireworks now. Like you see them shoot fireworks 2 times a week.
Did you catch cold? Weather is little cold today, right?
Hit the bell icon and subscribe button.
We're going.
So much intense, right? So lights are super intense, right, Mondo?
They stopped.
Dam inspection completed.
They go to the back door.